two ways to do it. One is you're going to have probably at this point a set of construction plans and drawings that you can send off to your suppliers and vendors. So if you're trying to determine how much square feet of flooring you're going to need or the lumber you're going to need, you could talk to your lumber yard or your local hardwood flooring company. You can send those blueprints or those plans to that supplier and they will give you something. You're going to request a takeoff and they will give you the exact bill of quantity. And then you can even transact on that. So not only can you get a bill of quantities, but you can select the specific type of material that you're trying to use for your project and get the bill of quantities for that. The latter is doing it manually. You can take your construction plans and you can manually measure and count whatever the quantity you need for that particular material. And that's how you would determine your bill of quantity.